Welcome in this quick tutorial. We are going to show you that how to switch back to personal account on TikTok. It's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. Just make sure you are logged in and using the latest version. Make sure to watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. If your account is on business, you have to switch it on public or personal. Click on the TikTok app, click on the profile icon, click on the three lines which appear at right top corner, click on settings and privacy, click on the account. You can see here switch to business account. If we can see here that your account is on, you can select any of the options. You can have to make it later. Now you have to set that accounts and switch to personal account. In this way you have to switch it on your personal account. Thank you so much. That was all. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.